Vispring was founded in London in 1901, and in the 1970s the factory relocated to Plymouth on the stunning southwest coast of England. It's here that our 130 craftsmen and women create the world's most naturally luxurious beds. To this day, we use the same time-honoured skills to craft every mattress by hand from start to finish. At the heart of each Vispring mattress lies a single, double or triple layer of springs, and we remain one of the only UK bed manufacturers to produce our own. Superior in strength to standard steel, vanadium steel is coiled and cut on site to the famous 6-turn spring. 74 different spring types enable us to achieve a bespoke tension to suit every comfort preference. Each spring is then enclosed in a cotton calico pocket. Free from bleach or dyes, pure cotton calico breathes and ventilates well, acting like bellows to circulate the air. Used in both our mattresses and divans, each pocket spring is nested in a honeycomb pattern and tied with natural twine. No glue is used, so that each spring moves independently, meaning every part of the body is supported throughout the night. Vispring mattresses are made using entirely natural materials. No plastic, polyester, foam or other man-made products or chemicals are used at any stage of production. Borders are made of pure wool, cotton and coir fibre naturally derived from coconut husk. A rod edge is used for stability and removed after side stitching. Air vents are sewn onto each mattress, allowing the air to circulate for a cool and undisturbed sleep. On a king-size mattress, you'll find 16 vents. Handles are secured with a double layer of flag stitching, enabling the mattress to be turned every season. For zip and link mattresses, the zips are attached at this stage. Unlike mass-produced mattresses, our artisan side stitching is all done by hand. It's an intricate, labour-intensive technique that takes years to master. Side stitching ensures the quality and comfort of every Vispring and safeguards the 30-year guarantee that we've become famous for. Up to 6 rows are sewn with natural twine, providing thousands of contact points between the outer shell and honeycomb spring unit. This can take the craftsperson up to 8 hours for just one mattress and is driven by the need for durability and quality. It's well known that nature provides the finest materials, and that's what we use to fill every Vispring mattress. Lavish amounts of soft, natural fibres, each with its own quality, are laid over the honeycombed pocket springs. The blended layers of natural fibres are expertly hand-teased to create Vispring's signature cloud-like comfort. From pure British fleece wool, luxurious silk and bamboo, to soft cotton and naturally springy horsetail, we source every filling responsibly, either directly from farmers or trusted and approved suppliers. Each ingredient is selected to provide a soft, breathable and fully biodegradable foundation for sleeping. Meticulous care is then taken to close the mattress using the method of tape edging. A strong, flexible ticking tape joins the side border to the top panel with a specially adapted sewing machine. This fastidious, thorough procedure seals the mattress to ensure a smooth surface with no raw edges. At Vispring, we tuft every mattress by hand. Evenly distributed throughout the entire mattress, these tufts hold the fillings in position. Carefully judged tuft lengths create our signature contoured surface, keeping everything secure. Due to Vispring's use of wholly natural materials, there is no need for a fire retardant lining to be added into our mattresses. When complete, a unique fire safety label is sewn onto the mattress, signed by each craftsman that has created it with pride. A label is also sewn at the head end of every mattress indicating the tension: soft, medium, firm or extra firm. For Vispring models on the shop floor of our retailers, the tension is embroidered onto the mattress's surface at the foot end of the bed. A Vispring pocketed divan is created with as much care and attention as the mattress itself and increases the comfort level of the bed by up to 40%. Each one combines a generous filling of premium natural fibres, body-responsive pocketed springs, and the strength of slow-grown Northern European timber from FSC-approved and other controlled sources. Bespoke to the very last detail, our divans can be upholstered in a range of stunning fabrics, from Vispring's timeless collection or the customer's own choice. We're so confident in our craft that we offer customers a 30-year Vispring manufacturer's guarantee. We put time and care into creating every Vispring to ensure that it's not just a piece of beautifully handcrafted furniture, not only a sustainable choice that is kind to the planet, but also an investment in wonderful sleep and well-being for many years to come.